Hello students, today we are going to discuss modulus and its properties in linear inequalities. So first of all let us discuss modulus. Now modulus simply means magnitude. In constant it is very easy to understand. When we say mod 2 that means 2, and when we say mod of minus 2 that is again 2. That means we can ignore negative sign and we focus on modulus only. In variable meaning is same, but to maintain its proper definition we have written like this: mod of x is equal to x when x is greater than equals to 0, and it is minus x when x is less than 0. Let us understand this by some example. For example, suppose mod of 2 I have to find. So as mod 2, mod is 2 taken off 2, and mod here x is 2, which is greater than 0, and definition says when x is greater than 0, so mod x is just x, so x is 2, so answer is minus 2. But when I take modulus of minus 2, so according to definition here x is minus 2, which is less than 0, so mod should be minus x. So minus x means minus of minus 2, which is 2. So that is why proper care is taken that definition is giving same result what constants are giving, but in variable we have to be alert. So this is the definition. Now properties of modulus. Now inequality when mod x less than equals to a, so it means like mod x is less than equals to 7. Now simply we can see that if mod x is less than equals to 7, that means x can't be greater than 7, x can't be 8, x can't be 9. At the same time x can't be less than minus 7, like minus 8, minus 9. It can't be like that. So it should lie between minus 7 to 7. Simple observation. So mod x less than equals to a means minus a less than equal to a less than equal to a. When I say mod x less than a, no equality is there, so I will remove equality from here also. That means there is no inequality. Now when I say mod x is greater than a, like mod x greater than equals to 7. Now obviously x can't be less than 7 here. X can't be 6, can't be 5. Similarly x can't be minus 6, minus 5. So to maintain this inequality, x has to be either greater than 7 or less than minus 7, because in both cases mod will be greater than 7. So like this we have written here mod x greater than equals to a, that means either x is greater than equals to a or x less than equals to minus a. Next is when mod x is greater than a, so again we will remove the equality from the above and we will put only inequality. Now mod x is equal to a. When I say mod x is equal to a, so it's very simple to understand. When I say mod x is equal to 7, so obviously x can be 7 as well as minus 7, because both numbers have modulus 7. Now mod of x minus a less than equals to b. To understand this we will go to property number 1. So it's very simple. I will use property 1, that means I will treat this as x. So this is minus b less than equal to x minus a less than equal to b. and to find x I will add a, because minus a is there, I will add a to the inequality, so a minus b less than is equal to x less than is equal to a plus b. Similarly, when no equality is there, so I will remove equality. Similarly, when x minus a is greater than equals to b, now for this I will follow property number 3. I will treat this as x. So either x is greater than equals to b, or x is less than is equal to minus b, or x minus a is greater than equals to b, or x minus a less than is equal to minus b. From here x is greater than equals to a plus b, or x less than is equal to a minus b. And again, when equality is not there, so we will remove equality. So that means first 5 properties are core properties, and next properties are based on these properties. So let us start 1 or 2 illustration to understand what kind of properties are these and how they are applied. So solve 3x minus 4 mod less than is equal to 6. So here, as this is less than is equal to 6, so due to first property, or mod x less than is equal to a, so minus a less than x less than a, so I have applied this property to get this result. Now obviously I have to remove minus 4, so I will add 4 to the inequality, so that it become minus 2 less than is equal to 3x less than is equal to 10, and finally I am dividing this by 3, because I am having 3x and there should be x only. So we are left with minus 2 by 3 to 10 by 3, close interval minus 2 by 3 to 10 by 3. Similarly, solve modulus of 4 minus x plus 1 less than 3. So here first of all shift 1 towards right hand side, so mod 4 minus x less than 2. Now this is important, I can write 4 minus x as x minus 4, because 4 minus x is minus x minus 4, and due to modulus this negative sign can be ignored. So again I will apply the property number 2, which is like this, mod x is less than a, so minus 2 less than x minus 4 less than 2, or adding 4 to the inequality, so it is 2 less than x less than 6, so x belongs to open interval 2 to 6. So that's it, that's all for today. Take care, have a nice day, thank you.